a video to see what else we can use a sandwich toaster for. So I thought maybe we might be able to make a pasty, as in like a Cornish pasty type of thing, using the sandwich toaster. So instead of bread, we're going to use pastry, and I've got some filling that I used for the pancake rolls that I made the other day. So we've got some of that left over. So I haven't turned the sandwich toaster on because I want to be able to just put some things in first before it started cooking. So filling in, and then it's just a normal short crust pastry, so it's half fat flour and a little bit of water. So that's pretty straightforward, but I can't see why this won't work. I think everyone's got one of these. It's the type of gadget that everyone's got in the back of the cupboard, and no one really knows what to do with it. So if we can do something else with it, I think that might be kind of quite interesting. So pastry square on top, pastry square on the bottom. I've oiled the plates slightly, just because I was concerned that the pastry might stick, even though there's plenty of fat in the pastry, that it probably won't stick. So we'll see how we go. And also when we close it like that, it will hopefully want to form everything together. Pressy pressy. It's fine. There we go, that's closed. Switch it on. Been a while since I've used it. It might not actually work anymore, but we'll give it a go. We'll see how we go, and we'll just have to judge. If I remember rightly, one of the lights goes off when it's ready, but we'll see. So it's in, it's working. We'll see how we go. We'll come back, and if it's a disaster, we'll see. If it's a success, we'll see. Then, so it's been on for quite a while. Keeps turning itself off and on again. I think it's going to be ready. The pastry there is cooked, so I think we're going to be done. It's not wanted to stick to the top, so I don't know. It's quite crumbly pastry. We might need to, if I do this experiment again, I think it needs a different type of pastry. I think maybe a hot water pastry would do better. Maybe something that we could force in, so it'd be more like a pork pie type of pastry. I think this might be a little bit too brittle. Get out of the way. Turn it off, and then turn it over. See what happens if we do that. Oh, there we go. It's come out. Oh, right, okay. That's fine. So, pastry's certainly cooked. I think it needs a better pastry. It certainly needs a different type of pastry. Something that's not going to crumble to bits just quite as easy. But I think that might be alright. Yeah, that kind of works. You look at that. I'd say that kind of works. It probably could do with like maybe something like something with more cheese in, I think. But I mean, it'll taste nice. I mean, pastry with that filling that I made for the pancake rolls, it's going to be nice. But yeah, we can work with that. We can do something with that, I think. There we go. So potentially another use for a sandwich toaster. Yeah, it's a pasty. It needs more cheese and maybe a different type of pastry, but that works to some form of degree. Yeah, we'll do something with that. This is the first video. Sorry, I'm talking with a mouthful. Yeah, this is the first video. I'll do something else with this in the future. I'll have a play around and we'll perfect something. But yeah, that works. There we go.